what's going on. It seems I'm still sleepy. So welcome back to my prototype 29. But as usual, let's talk a little bit to warm up, stretching and stuff. Man, yesterday I spent tons of time playing. I played like for 12 hours. Not working for the stupid game channel that will go nowhere, but playing for playing's sake. And I enjoyed myself, and there were several things actually were really good. Happened the last 2 days that I'm smiling for the God's sake. Yesterday before I went to bed, I was smiling for no reason. This is a very weird feeling that I haven't felt for a long time, like 2 years or something. I don't know. I mean, to that level, smiling for no reason, just, man, I was happy, in other words. So, I tried to publish my work in Arabic Facebook pages and in YouTube and other places, but no use. No one cares, but I'm not familiar with Twitter. I still don't know some of the terms. What do they? I mean, retweet. What the hell retweet mean? But I found that Monogame, and I believe these are the same guy. I mean, the same team. Tom and his friends. Tom and his friends. Is that like a TV show? Have a Twitter page, and I checked it out, and it was like having several developers working on their projects and show their work. I was like, interesting, and there seems to have reached more advanced stages than I was like, let's give it a chance. And suddenly, yesterday, I don't know when was that, but before the weekly progress review, I believe. Is the microphone on? I always forget to check it out before okay, it is on. Because sometimes it gets disconnected. Anyway, Monogame itself retweeted my work, and in less than 12 hours, people start to follow me and start to retweet my work and start to like my work. I was like, oh wow. And Facebook and YouTube, the discussion channel and mails and stuff doesn't get that much attraction at all. So it's really good. It's really good. Even though I believe all my videos get on my own Twitter, I have no clue how to use this. So anyhow, I will ask some Arabic people on their channels and ask where should I publish such work that's not a game but it's in a game engine development. I'm still developing the game engine, and I will keep only the progress review published in here, I believe. Yeah, I need to work on more BR. Are you done? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, yesterday I was really happy. I was playing, I was having fun. Several people done sweet things like Monogame Twitter. Thank you, Tom. No, he didn't do it. Thank you, Monogame Twitter page to retweet, and everyone who followed and retweet. I don't know if it's retweet, is it reshare? I have no clue. But it seems to get attraction. And thank you, Tom, and your team for making Monogame platform. You were working on it, I believe, before 2013, even before Microsoft cut the support, and I am really proud to use your platform. It's really powerful. Wish if you can fix the video game player, but anyway, the video player still seems not working. I didn't test it, but I don't think it's working yet. So to fix the happiness problem, let's start working. Yeah, most of my videos, let me show you. Yeah, I'm in the mood to talk. I'm sorry. Even though I waked up late and still screwing up and stuff. Usually, most of my videos have like one view or two because it is me checking the voice and checking the video. Have no issues, just a quick look on it. But Holy Tomato, weekly progress have 14 views. This is quite new for my channel for a long time. So most of the videos is just me watching it. But recently I started to get because of Twitter. Some attraction. I don't know how many minutes they watched. Hopefully more than 3 and 4. But after a month I will get the analytic from YouTube and see what's going on. So yeah, we will keep the weekly progress and we will try to announce that as our own attraction BR. And let's try to fix some issues and work for at least 4 hours. So usually I have this timer program made in Visual Basic 6 in like 2002 or something. I made it because of the entrance exam for our college. We used to have an entrance exam to see if fit for the college or not. And they have a huge clock on the projector. And at the last 30 seconds, it starts flashing in a stupid way. So I was like, hey, I can make a program like that in Visual Basic. That after 30 seconds, it will start to get red. And when the times end, it starts flashes just like the clock in that. The trigger to change the color red only on 30 seconds, so it's black. I never seen that as a black before, in all my life since 2002. This is the first time I see it like this. Do you imagine? So yeah, I made this program and I still till today use it for my own stuff. So I usually, whenever I start working, I start the daily work, how much minutes I need to work, and the other number is the before the break. So let's take a look on task list and tell Cortana to screw off. Jesus, why do
I pulled up some images for you.
Anyway, I would like to show you more stuff to brag about the monthly work and stuff, but first issue, the keyboard profile. Yeah, whenever I work, yeah, this is the first time I talk to real audience, or hopefully to real audience. Usually I talk to myself as if they were imaginary audience. Usually whenever I work, I need to restart the timers because I'm still talking. Yeah, let's stop them for now. Usually when I work, I throw concepts in the game engine and I don't care if the users know them or not. I just pretend and not pretend. What's the mathematician used to say? Assume that they understand it 100% to reduce the amount of time that I waste. Clarify what these variables and systems do, like the time I'm wasting now. So yeah, start the timer now. All right, so any controller request coming from the keyboard or the joystick that doesn't exist in the game profile, in the controller profile, crash the game. So if I click P, for example, or 1 or whatever, in the main menu, it should crash the game. Then I will click start on the joystick and it should crash the game. And we will take a look on the chain of command code that I added as the last feature for the last week. Yeah, I click I. And it says key not found exception. What key? So let's take a look. So the main target doesn't exist. That's why he went and checked the menus, which is the correct respawn that I'm expecting. And are you telling me if there is no keys, it will just throw this exception? Because what the hell? Can I know what's the values of keys? It should be null because this profile doesn't have keys. We are using, oh wait. No, there is a main menu profile. Oh, and it has up and down too. Interesting. But there are keys, and I'm checking all the keys that the item is K. If it is empty, shouldn't that be continue? Yeah, I'm not that freaking familiar with any. And I have no clue why the key not found exception has been fired. Is it because... But... no idea. So, to save time... Yeah, I'm just copying the word. Do you have a problem with that? C#. Any throws. What is this? What is this? Did you change the Google? Oh, it's just you give me suggestions. Oh, actually, get out. I don't want that DuckDuckGo or DuckDuckGo. Why did he do that to me? Can I do apply or whatever? All right. C#. Any throws. Thank you. Using any. I have a strange error in my code. And you have a dictionary. The first row has key is equal to any. Returns true, but throws an error. But this one return a key. Wait a second. But I don't care about the value in this case. Where's the code? Yeah, I was confused as well. What does the keys mean? Let's check the code again. So in control, you can have several cases how the keys are pressed. Either key down, key continuous, or key up. And the first item for the tuple represent the key itself. The second one is its state. And I'm using for each, but we didn't even reach this condition. What does where do? Doesn't where return a collection? Yeah, I tried to use where twice, and then I was like, let's save the enumerator of where and reuse it instead of searching twice in the dictionaries for every keys, because I'm trying to make my engine as optimized as possible. Life of programmers. So it returns an enumerator. So I could fix this issue by running away and say where count is less or equal to 0. Oh. Okay. I believe I can fly. I believe I can die as well. Screw me. What key? The key exists, but you don't exist. Main menu. MC. Wait a second. Main menu. Okay, calm down. We are in the second key. I see. We'll add the MC. I see. Alright. Apparently we have if this guy contains key of this and negate it. P 12F 10F. Alright. So apparently we have a controllable menu and it automatically added to the stack or to the queue, in other words. But the profile that we have in the data doesn't know that it doesn't have any keys in it and doesn't make a profile for it. That was the problem. So I could remove this condition if I make sure I create a profile to all controllable to remove the checking every time. Actually, yeah, I should do that. So how did the game know about the main menu? Here. That's how it knows about the main menu. So we need to add the env MC. This is adding keys and profiles by the hard code. which is still possible in games, but I shouldn't do that in general. Well, I can do whatever I want, but I shouldn't do that because I should add them in here in the game profile here. The problem is I can only add animated particles. In other words, creatures and weapons. And actually I remove controllability from weapons, so only animation particles. Later on I need to upgrade the system to add main menus and stuff, and add mouse and add consequence keys and double click keys. Yeah, this system need to be upgraded. That's why we are adding the main menus in here. In the old days, in the Genesis days, and a long time ago, actually I add all the profiles, and all joystick and all stuff in here as well. But not anymore. So let's test again the joystick pressing start and stuff. That's not programmed to. Doesn't exist. IOKP10F. Oh, did I change the language too? No problem. Start, select R. R actually it's not detected yet. All the sticks, yep. So the crashes from the weekly progress review have been solved. But I need to leave a warning to myself. And today work is over, so goodbye. I'll see. No, okay. Hey, first task of month April. Not bad. It's a little bit too late, but not bad. Better late than never. I need to make sure to add all profiles for all icons controllable of the controller, or of all active or the game will keep crashing whenever it fails in finding the keys or the unregistered. Now I need to do something which usually make me freak out. Start a new life. Become a chef or something. No, start a new system. So we need to move to the quest age. And we need to add quests. The quest system as the data and the infrastructure exists already. I already made it. I worked a little bit hard actually for more than 2 months to finish few systems, and one of them is the campaign system, which hold the maps and the quest systems. So we can create quest systems and trees and stuff in here, but I'm not sure how, they are not tested, and I didn't implement anything in the game engine except to take the data and hug it closely, hug it really warmly, but do nothing with it. So let's try to do a quest tree. I completely forgot how to do this, but let's see. So let's add a quest tree name like story quest tree. I could add the description and name key and crash the game for no reason, but and I can it's not exist. And then add a quest. How do you submit them? What do you do? A lot of questions. It's heavily based on scripts. And scripts mean I need to have as hard coded in the actions. Or used already exist scripts, which I don't have any for. Doesn't I have some way to say that the quest is not active? Or is that part of the quest trees? Eh, um, I'm sure I had a way to awake and make quests leads and stuff, but I completely forget how did I do them. It's kinda sad. It's kinda sad to look at that and get confused. Let's take a look on the initializer. This is the guy who connect the data with in the game engine with the game. I need to add something new in here called all quests initialize. Actually, it should be part of the campaign initialize. Oh, did I press 11F? What did I press? Something. So this guy will do the scripts initialize. Okay, that's it. Yeah, you didn't do anything that related to the quest in the game engine. Of course, that's it. I already know that, and yet I will stay confused like this for by the way, for free. Usually I stay confused like this for a week and a half whenever I start doing new things. So if you're waiting to see me to snap out of it, I will tell you better luck next time or something. Because I will be like this for a while. So this is setting map. We don't care about you now. Do we not? Yeah, we do. When do we give the players quest? Usually we initialize the campaign when we start a new one. We don't have save and load system yet for the games. It's all part of the player profile, which we are trying to figure out how to do it. Yes, I didn't design that on paper either. I might stop the video and do that first. But I will try at least do it online. Sometimes a programmer need to be courageous. You need to just start hacking. Something that I'm learning how to do that. So this is the campaign system. And this is my destiny. And this is the quest dictionary and the quest dictionary. Three quest dictionaries 3. Don't let me cry. Oh, don't make me cry even harder. Yeah, we have several systems that not implemented yet. So this is the initialize stage, and here we initialize unique creatures, and here we initialize all the scripts. We could initialize the quests and giving the quest trees to players through a tag actually. so it become part of the script, because not all the campaigns are the same, are they? So we need to do a tag in here, write something to make this possible. So let's focus on that. I usually, whenever I see for each and it's really small, I usually either remove the parentheses or even make it one line. I really hate it and I cannot focus if I don't see it like this. And when there is a for each or a long switch or something, I usually like to leave a line between the other things to give me a space, a gap, a breather to say this is done. Now let's start something else. Programmer's preferences. Oh man, I don't want to fix all my code. Let's just get out of here. Oh, don't. So let's return to the game INI. Oh yeah, and let me close anything that I'm not dealing with now, like the controller, the map class, the expression class, the bags, the sick data, the controller profile, all of you out of my way. So we need to add some section for the stupidity. So we can add quests by using scripts. Region. So crap. Let's take a look. Campaign. Quest condition. Quest trees. Quests. Can I call it a day and go play or something? No? Okay. No scripts whatsoever. Beautiful. Man, the whole thing is heavily scripted, dang it. Oh, here what I was talking about, the seat. Oh, we have a failure attempt to make a player profile here. I'm glad that I left myself some notes in here. I see. I noticed that the quests doesn't know about their own quest trees. And it seems I was planning to use the quest tree as a manager more than a quest tree as a holder. Oh, we have factions here, or functions. I kind of don't want to disappoint you and say, oh, you know what? I'll return to my design on paper and see what's going on, but let's try to figure things out in here. Sometimes working on paper doesn't go anywhere either. Because I'm trying to start somewhere and I'm not sure where to start. I mean, the easiest, the most obvious thing is to add a quest tree to the profile. But then, oh, here's the quest tree name. Okay. I didn't know this quest tree, not the quest ID. Okay. But quests are independent from quest trees. And why I'm saying that, because when I took a look in here, I noticed you can add a list of quests, and then you are given the choice to add any number of quests in the quest trees. So we can use the same quests in different trees. Which make me wonder why there is no quest ID in here. Quest tree ID. So maybe I need to add it. And maybe I need to add a state too. So if quest contains key of QTID, return. Of course, we forgot to negate it. Quests QTID. Now you're playing with fire. Why the state is not part of the quest itself? Only God knows. Why did I do it like this? Can we have some quest more than once? I have no clue. Or quest QTID keys what's going on? Why he says item 1? Oh wait, why did you build the dictionary like this? What the hell? It need to be a list of tuples. A list, I'm say. Do you really want to save them as a list? Oh, wait a second. The quest seems save only the states of the quests in the player. I see. But oh god, no. It must be something like yeah. Are you saying quests cannot exist without a state? It must be a list or something. So actually I don't need this one. I don't know why I add this one. Because this one is meaningless. Do you hear that? Meaningless. Do you hear me? Meaningless. And we have conditions as well. Calm down. Your life is still intact. Somehow. You need to start somewhere. So sleep, awake. Just start it. And progress. What does just started? Does that mean haven't done anything yet on it? And why am I using 3 digits only? Terlele, terlele, he. Oh, terlele, terlele, he. Oh, terlele, terlele, he. Oh, terlele, terlele. Yeah, it. How does the quest trees know how many quests do we have? To have a bunch of quest conditions. How do you know the quest trees know? What the hell, dude? What the hell? What the hell? Hell. What's the quest condition? Professional programmers, everyone. Professional programmer. getting tired of this. Oh, wait. This is... What is this? This is this. So, I believe the string is the quest ID. Silly you, silly you, silly you, silly you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, how can I decide if the quests are awakening or not? Don't tell me you will do that with the fucking stupid tag again. So the game started and we give a quest tree to a sucker. Which quest do we add to them? What's the state? What's the risk? What's quest condition? None. Oh, wait. The state is for the quest tip. Not for the quest itself. What about the quest? How do I know the quest is sleeve or not? Is it the quest condition? Nope, it has ID and tags. Talk about hashish. Do you remember when my life wasn't sucks? Do you remember? Da, 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 da. Oh my god, problems everywhere. If I don't know where the creature is living, I cannot add items to the back without making a new scripts for him. And that's why the real parser is a blessing. But no, using a parser is complicated. Let's use this wishy-washy action system. I can always change how the quests start or the success and stuff. Anyhow, any boo, any do, any dee, oh dee dee dee, oh ta ta ta, oh ti ti ti. So we have a key. And we have a D. Oh, C. Do we have a door? Let's call it Tragador. No, we don't have a door. Sad my life is sore. Alright. So let's make a bridge. Silly second sit and it and lit. And the bridge as number 3. We have 2 forms of free. I believe the bridge without A. And the frame is not gay. The frame position is 48 by 3. I believe that's wrong. Oh no, I'm not as strong. Yeah. So let's add another form. This is called 196. I believe the calculation is wrong because it's less by 4 or something. So let's make the first form. Have some wall of collision that will let the player hate all his life decision. How about stop the song before my place get nuked? Now I have all the forms. Tag. Let's add a tag. And let's not brag. Okay, so the first form is solid as norm, but the second form is not as solid as I torn. But that doesn't make sense because the precious lens. Maybe I should change the door and call it Tragador. No, I already used that word. I was thinking to add a bridge and make it let you pass it if you put the key somewhere. But that doesn't make a lot of sense because it's a bridge. Even if I move it when you put the key, it's a bridge. It should be solid. Who cares if it makes sense or not? Do we? No? Yeah, we could use game project scripts instead then. Okay. We need something that represents a keyhole. I don't know. It will be stupid if we use a switch to do that required a key. Unless if we adjust it and make it have a key holder or something. Because why would you need a key if you have something like that, a ladder? Yeah, the bridge is so bad that I want to delete it now. Do you know what? Who freaking cares? Let's just do the work, dang it. Who freaking cares? We don't care about logic in here. We are programmers. Screw logic, dang it. So let's add a bridge in here and let's make the tributes. and there's water, which is not solid. So if you fall, you die. I don't have any mechanism for death from pitfalls and stuff. We will figure it out someday. And we will add a switch with a tag in here sometime. I could adjust the tag anytime for objects, but not for items, dang it. If I go to the script, I could go to here and select it, and there's a creatures and objects. So I can add their scripts, but not items. I didn't add, yeah, this is the item of the object. If you consider the object as an item, it's a different story. So I need to add an item section in here later on. Well, I'll use the bathroom and I need to check some stuff out, and then I'll return and continue working. Thank you for watching and see you next